They're saying that this colorway is supposed to be midnight navy and laser orange, but what I'm seeing is sky blue and highlighter yellow. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Max Deluxe in the midnight navy and laser orange colorway. We've already covered the Air Max Deluxe in the photo blue colorway, and this colorway was originally rumored to be a woman's exclusive pair, but this is actually a men's size 11, so this is a men's pair. And yeah, so we can put all those rumors to rest that this is coming out in men's sizes as well. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway, like I said before, is midnight navy and laser orange. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a cloth-like upper along with the TPU cage that's plastic all wrapping around the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have a midnight navy toe box along with this sky bluish laser orange. I guess that's what this colorway is supposed to be, laser orange, but it looks more like a yellow. There's also a Nike swoosh under this plastic TPU cage for the eyelets, and that's actually in laser orange. Moving towards the tongue, you have the same blue and orange pattern on the tongue, along with midnight navy laces, and you have a midnight navy tongue tag with the laser orange Nike swoosh on it. The insole is laser orange with the midnight navy Nike swoosh on it. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the same cloth-like upper in sky blue, and I guess that I'm not sure if this is actually laser orange because it looks more yellowish to me. Like the two shades, like for this Nike swoosh and this pattern, are different, but that could also be the material. And you also have this midnight navy overlay with the laser orange Nike swoosh. Also, you have a little scale-like detailing, and that's 3M. Taking a look at the heel, you have the laser orange back tab, and you have this iridescent tab for the heel. And this is very reminiscent of the eggplant foam, so it's that color. It's almost exactly the same color. The medial is identical to the lateral, save for the 3M scales. So you got the blue and orange upper alongside the TPU cage. You have a gold colored midsole with the fully exposed Nike Air unit. And you have the Air Max 97 styled outsole in black, purple, and laser orange. This colorway is very eye-popping, and I'm a big fan of this colorway. Since I picked up the photo blue colorway, I've definitely been looking up and getting into a lot more Air Max Deluxes, and we have a bunch of them coming up. The Sequoia one we also picked up, and that's coming as well. But the shades on this shoe, for some reason, reminds me of the Lakers colors, but specifically the Shaq and Kobe era purple jerseys. But it also reminds me of the Los Angeles Sparks jerseys, and I'm not quite sure why, because sky blue is the predominant color on this shoe. I am disappointed with the quality of the midsole though. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's already starting to crack, and like the way they painted it, it wasn't a great job. Like the paint is getting on the Air Max bubble and everything, and you know, that kind of puts a damper on the shoe. But outside of that, I'm a fan of the colorway. I just wish that quality control was a bit better for the midsole. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Max Deluxe in the laser orange colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 26th for a retail price of $180. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.